hang on, no we're not. Yes we are.
Okay, I'm Mark D'Souza. I've been challenged to the ALS Ice Bucket Challenge by my good Springsteen friend Helen Muniz. Thank you so much, Helen. Not. I'd like to challenge Martin Smith because I know that Carl and Jamie are going to love it. I'd like to challenge Neil Stokes because I think it's time this went viral around the Royal Mail. And I'd like to challenge my oldest friend Lee King.
Oh God!
And you can donate to the cause at the link that I'll provide on the website. Wait 1 second. Nobody here thought I was going to get my Springsteen t-shirt wet. So I've got to take that off. Okay, wish me luck. Get ready for this, son.
You could have chose a better day, Mark.